Hello, my name is Turley Arrieta Lopez, pronunciation Gorchots, called Barranca Bermeja. Turley studied English the Saturday. Maria played balloon in the afternoon. My grandmother prepared some delicious sandwich for my sister. My father is very affectionate with me. Tomorrow I will be 15 years old. Jorge casted with my aunt Sunday. Wendy is happy with her boyfriend Juan. Juan Pablo is hot berry, turfus, and strawberry shaped. Nicole and Carol go and hug Vocu with their parents. I love my grandfathers. My friend's house is beautiful. My mailbox is full. Firulai is a very pretty dog. Carlos goes to school every day. You are my best friends.